Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to harvest elderberry flowers. First, ensure you have correctly identified the elderberry plant, looking for its distinctive creamy white flower clusters. These beautiful blooms are usually ready for harvesting in late spring or early summer, when they are fully open and fragrant. When you're ready to snip, use a clean, sharp pair of scissors to carefully cut the flower heads right where they meet the stem. This method helps preserve the plant for future growth and ensures a clean harvest. For the best quality elderberry flowers, aim to harvest on a dry, sunny morning after the dew has evaporated. This timing helps prevent mold and ensures the best flavor. It's also crucial to avoid picking flowers from plants growing near busy roads or areas with potential pollution. Remember to be mindful of the plant's health. Leave at least 2/3 of the flowers on the plant so it can still produce its valuable berries later in the season. This sustainable approach ensures a bountiful harvest for years to come. Once you've harvested your elderberry flowers, gently shake each cluster to dislodge any tiny insects or loose debris. It's important not to wash the flowers, as this can remove the delicate pollen, which contributes to their flavor and medicinal properties. For immediate use, the fresh flowers are perfect for making cordials or fritters. If you plan to store them, spread them out on a clean cloth in a well-ventilated area to dry completely, which usually takes several days. After your elderberry flowers are thoroughly dried, store them in an airtight container, such as a glass jar, in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, these dried elderflowers can maintain their potency and flavor for up to 1 year, ready for teas or other preparations. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Happy harvesting and enjoy your elderflower creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.